अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि दोस्तों आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो का हमारा टॉपिक है फंक्शंस ऑफ द टेलीकम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो पहले जाकर हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें ताकि इस तरह की वीडियो हम आपके लिए लाते रहें। सो फ्रेंड्स, बगैर देर किए हम जाते हैं अपने टॉपिक की जानिब। फंक्शंस ऑफ द टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस नेटवर्क। There are various functions of telecommunication networks, or some of the functions are: the main and basic role of telecommunication networks to transmit informations from one part to another or far distance and establish an interface between senders and receivers by some means of transmission mode. Since terminals and nodes are connected randomly to the networks, so this system routes the message along the most efficient paths that take minimum time to send a message the receiver end. Transmission of the data is completed unitarily, and that end comes with the shortest path in minimum time. These systems also make sure that the right message is received by the right users on the end, whilst transmitting is also checked for transmission error. As we all know, that networks use different software and hardware to transmit data via communication channels that vary with the different mediums. Therefore, the telecommunications is responsible for converting and managing the speed of transmissions directly to the platform. It also converts messages from one format to different because the information is represented in several ways on the different platforms. Control the flow of data that depends on the communications channels and terminals used to transmit information. So this system controls both of these accordingly. Example of telecommunication networks. Example of telecommunication network are as follow. Telecommunication networks devices include telephones, microwaves, communications arrangements, fiber optics, telegraph, radios, satellites, and the largest examples is the internet. While the majority of the people associate telecommunications with modern technologies, it is also used in ancient times to smoke signals as a form of visual telegraph, widely used by the various peoples before. Smoke signals are used to cloud communicate short messages over a long distance, assuming a clear line of sight. Telecommunications also include to the mobile phones with conference calling features. Telecommunication technology allowed astronauts on the moon to communicate with the people of Earth. Communication satellites are used for telecommunications. Satellite phones vary in size but are in belief are satellites networks. Cell phone towers are used for telecommunications. A GSM telephone is a telecommunication device. Telecommunication networks allow military units to be controlled by remote headquarters through command and control systems. A telegraph is an optical telegraph that uses a mirror to reflect light to mimic a sign lamp. Uses of telecommunication networks. Use of telecommunication networks in daily life distance communications. The days of the sending letters are gone today. Contacting people from any part of the world is much easier than before the use of computers, handsets, and the internet. People can communicate through phone calls, text messages, emails, or social media platforms. Telecommunications has simply made keeping in touch with loved ones more convenient, efficient, and also cost effective. Entertainment, socializations, कस्टमर सर्विस. सो आई होप फ्रेंड्स आज की वीडियो आपको हमारी अच्छी लगी होगी. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.